Hello everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to use Photopea step by step in 2026. If you're looking for a free online photo editor that works like Photoshop, Photopea is an excellent choice. Whether you're editing photos, creating thumbnails, or designing graphics, this guide will help you get started. First, open your web browser and go to Photopea. The great thing about Photopea is that it runs directly in your browser, so you don't need to install any software. Once the website loads, you'll see the main workspace with all the editing tools. To begin, click *** New Project ** to create a blank design, or select Open from Computer ** to edit an existing image. After your image opens, you'll see the toolbar on the left, the Layers panel on the right, and the menu bar at the top. Now you can start editing your image. Use the Move tool to reposition objects, the Crop tool to trim your image, the Brush tool for painting, the Text tool to add text, and the Selection tools to edit specific parts of your design. If you make a mistake, simply press **Ctrl plus Z ** to undo your last action. One of Photopea's most powerful features is layers. Each image, text, or graphic can be placed on its own layer, making it easy to edit without affecting the rest of your project. You can also adjust colors, apply filters, add effects, and use masks for more advanced editing. When you're finished, click **, File **, choose **, Export as **, and select your preferred format such as PNG, JPG, PDF, or PSD. Choose the image quality you want, then save the file to your computer. That's how to use Photopea in 2026. If this tutorial helped you, please like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more Photopea tutorials. Thanks for watching.